What's up guys, and welcome back to another G35 video. In today's video we're gonna be debadging the G35 because it doesn't look good, and we're also going to be installing a 380RS gas pedal that I bought. I've been wanting to debadge the G35 for a good minute, but I've never really done it, and everybody around me has always said to debadge it because I am missing like 2 letters. Yo.
Hi.
What'd you just do?
I am Master Tech. I bypassed all the tools needed.
Oh my god! No!
We're good.
I'm missing.
Let me do the next one.
No! Leo! We're also going to be installing this 380RS gas pedal. Since I'm going to be taking the car to the track, I want it to be a little bit easier to heel toe, so this notch right here is going to help. So this is an OEM part, and I'll put the part number on screen right now if you guys wanted to pick it up. This really only applies to G35s and 350Zs that have a manual transmission, since you are going to be heel towing with this. This will make it a lot easier for you. You can still get this if you have an automatic. I just really don't see the point of it. I'd rather get all the aluminum pedals if you have rubber ones. This is going to be a really nice addition to go ahead and install on the G35. What are you good? I'm impressed that you got in here.
Hey bro, what's up? How's it going? You ready to start the video?
No. Bro, honestly, I don't even think we need fishing line. I think we can literally rip these off. Try to take off the Infinity logo by hand.
Think I can't do it?
You can't do it.
Oh, what the f?
You can't do it. Oh my lord, that is so
Let's get them all
easy.
out. Let's go. Easiest mod for your G35.
We're gonna let it soak for like 10-15 minutes, and then it should wipe off pretty easy. Or I'll just leave it like this. Alright guys, so some time has passed and I ended up scraping off as much as I could. So you can still see some of the markings that it left. So what I'm going to end up doing is go ahead and polish this in the future. That way it looks clean and you won't really be able to tell. I don't know if I like it without the emblems. If anything, we'll go ahead and get a whole new set of emblems just so I have everything there. The main reason why I ended up removing the emblems to begin with was because it was already missing like 2 letters. I just wanted it to be clean and not have any missing letters.
It's pretty good.
It doesn't look too bad. It looks a little off to me though. I mean, I'm not used to seeing it without the emblems. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like it more or less with or without the badges. I think it looks pretty cool, but maybe it looks better. Maybe I just keep the Infinity logo. So we're gonna go ahead and install the gas pedal now. So the thing to keep note of is that there are 2 little bushings that you want to have. If you have aluminum pedals, you already have these 2 bushings, but if you have the rubber pedals, you want to make sure you have these 2 so you can go ahead and install this. This is gonna go inside there, and then you're gonna have this lock on once the pedal is on. Let's go ahead and install this, and I'll show you guys what to do. What are you doing in my car?
I could go somewhere else. I swear.
Are those narcotics?
It's recreation.
It's for your back pain.
Yes. See how I wasn't sitting up straight?
Now you are. Oh, dude. Oh, my bad. I'm gonna have to blur everything on that tray.
There's nothing to see here.
Because it's blurred. We're gonna go ahead and replace that rubber pedal. So I don't have aluminum pedals how the 05s and up had. I'm gonna go ahead and replace the gas pedal. It's really simple actually. There's a clip up top, you unclip it, you can go ahead and tilt it, then you just pull it out. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I mean. Get like a flathead screwdriver right here, and all you need to do is pry it downwards, and once you pry it off, you literally just pull from the top. There you go. So you just push it down. So once it's tilted downwards, you can go ahead and just move it out, and there you go, it is out. So the clip on the original pedal doesn't actually come out, it just moves out of the way. So don't try to take it off because you'll be struggling. Just move it out of the way, and then you can go ahead and take off the pedal. So here we have the new pedal, and I already put the bushing inwards. You just slide it on the same way you took off the other one. You go ahead and just slide it on like this, and then you just go ahead and tilt it upwards. So if you had an 05 and up and you wanted to do the upgrade and you had aluminum pedals, you would essentially go ahead and put this on, then put the clip that goes in the back and snap it on, and you'd be done. But since I have an 04, the rod right here is skinnier than in the 05s, I believe, so that's why this doesn't really fit flush on there. Once I go ahead and put this on, it rattles back and forth, so that means I need to put a little bit of electrical tape just to make this rod a little bit thicker. That way when I put clip this on, it doesn't rattle back and forth and it actually stays in place. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do right now, so that way it actually stays in place and doesn't move back and forth. I'm gonna be using some electrical tape and go ahead and just wrap the rod a couple times, and then we'll go ahead and put everything back on and we should be done. So that's how you install the 380RS pedal. I like that it has this little notch for the heel toe, so when you press on the brake you can do heel toe a lot easier. So let's go ahead and do the first impressions on the pedal and let's see how it works. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the first impressions on the pedal. I want to see how it feels to do heel toe. I know how to downshift. I really don't know how to heel toe all that well. I'm gonna be practicing on how to do that very well. Having this pedal will make it a little bit easier for me to reach that pedal. So I want to know how it feels. So I'm gonna give you guys like first impressions of how it feels so you guys know. We're coming up to a red light, so I'm gonna downshift, start braking. Oh wow. The thing that I have a complaint about the original pedal is obviously because of that notch, you have to reach more over to the gas pedal to be able to do a heel toe. There's different ways of doing heel toe, obviously, where you can actually move your foot all the way, or you can use the side. So you use the ball of your foot on the brake and then you go ahead and just blip the throttle, and that's kind of the method that I like doing. So it's really nice. That little notch actually gives a lot of space for you to do it. We're reaching a red light, so again I'm gonna start braking. Oh, that's so much better. That's so much better. I honestly have no complaints. I like it a lot more, and I feel like it's gonna make it easier for me to learn heel toe really well, so I won't have to worry about trying to keep my foot on the brake and gas, and it'll make it just a lot easier for me to learn. There you have it. That is all for this video. We took off the emblems. I am gonna have to polish this like I said, so that's gonna be in a different video, or I might just do that off camera. And we also ended up installing the pedal. I really like the pedal, so this is definitely something that I recommend if you're trying to learn heel toe. Obviously this is for manual, since you are going to be doing heel toe when you have the clutch in, but you can obviously buy it if you have an automatic as well. I just wouldn't really see the point of it, and I would just get the regular aluminum ones. So in last week's video we ended up installing the spacers. I was rubbing in the rear, so I ended up just getting a hammer and hammering this in a little bit. I really like how it looks. It makes the fitment look a lot better than it did before. I have no need to really roll the fenders anymore. I thought I was, but I don't really need it anymore. So that's going to be all for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy this. If you did, leave a like on the video, subscribe if you're new around here. We're gonna have plenty of G35 content in the future, and there's a bunch of content on the channel already. But with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.